Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing our series with file input. And today we're going to be looking at the FileInput object. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos. File input as fi, not if, fi. So let's just look and see what this is. So, okay, so help dot fi file input. So this is the class, the object, and then the functions that are in this module are also the methods of this object. So all right, let's just go through a run through of how to use this. So we have our files that we're going to use right here. So we bring this in, fs, then fi dot file input, then I pass the files that I'm going to be using. So I bring this in, and now I have my file input object. Now this is going to look a little weird, but we'll just go through it. Looks very similar to the last, oops, sorry guys, to the last example. Fs as, and we'll call these opened. Then this is going to be each line inside opened. So what this is doing is, I didn't go into this last video, I didn't say this as well. So basically it takes all the files and stacks them on top of each other. So each line in the file, it's sequential line after another. So now I have my object, which I'm opening up with my context manager, and then this is going to appear just as, so the names, my temporary names are just a little bit different. File, my file as my object, and then opened, in opened, wow. Then print line. So let's just go ahead and look at this. Did this knock my camera out of line? No, okay, we're good. So basically it is the exact same readout, just a little bit different. But I wanted you to see this object in case you are looking someplace else, or you've read someplace else and you see this and this looks really, really weird. But no, all this is the object of this put together. So there we go. Real quick, real short video today. Probably next video we'll just wrap up the other functions, or some of them. You probably won't use all of them, but make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and making sure you're joining the Discord server, because that has been growing and there's a great deal of support going on there. So I don't want you having any issues and not being able to find anybody. But as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.